This is the Moxy Times Square one-bedroom king-size suite. It's a 300 square foot room. Now, I've stayed at the Moxy Times Square before, and in their smaller rooms, which are quite small, but admittingly, that's not unusual for Manhattan, which is where this hotel is located. This is the front door. You can see our do not disturb sign right down below. We've got a peephole on the door here, and you can lift this up if you so desire to get a little bit more light in. We've got pegs along the wall. That's one of the things I really like about Moxy hotels is you're going to find those pegs all over the place, and you can hang jackets, shopping bags, anything like that. We've got a master light switch here. This will turn everything off. The glow you see is from the TV. And of course, individual light switches. There are plugs all over this room. I'm not going to show them all to you, but just know they're everywhere. These windows also you're going to see throughout this room, which is fantastic because not only do you get really nice views, depending on where you're staying, what floor, what room, but you get natural daylight that comes in, which really makes this room all the more beautiful. There are shades on each one, as you see here, so you can draw them closed for privacy. More hooks along the wall here. We get an area to store your luggage if that's where you choose to store your luggage. Right here, we've got a couple of chairs. Pull one out for you to see. And then, of course, we've got a really nice and rather long kind of table here. So you can pretty much use it for storage, eating, working, whatever. There's a working sink. More plugs. Decorative items up along the top. That's a record player in a box. Unfortunately, I couldn't get mine to work, and there are actual records inside of here. So, kind of cool. Down below, if you want to use this as storage, you certainly can do that. Plenty of room. You could even store your luggage down there. Then we also get a table and chair. Really appreciate this because there is a killer sushi place nearby that is pretty much takeout only, and so I bring the sushi back in here and eat it right there. Check this view out, by the way. So before we talk about the seating area, 15th floor, beautiful view of the Empire State Building. It's just fantastic. These lights, by the way, are adjustable. So you can actually swivel them, turn them, and do what you want. And that's what's great about this area. Cushiony, soft, lots of pillows. You can use it to read a book, play a game, just hang out, have a nice drink. And then we've got these areas here that you can use as maybe a coffee table. You put some items on it if you want. More windows. We get a room divider right here. And then here is the king-size bed. And we've got these really nice kind of squishy things right here. There's your bed. And yeah, in this room, you can actually walk around the bed on both sides. More lights. We do have USB plugs right here, as well as more light controls. And yeah, you can listen to bedtime stories. Just pick up the phone and press that button, and you'll hear some stories. You'll have to come here to listen to them, though. I won't be playing those on this video. This button right here is going to turn on this light bar. It's pretty bright. But if you need the light, you can turn it on, and you will have it. More USB plugs right here. Of course, that is our TV. More plugs. Moxy, you know me too well. Game on. And then, of course, we have some really cool artwork that you'll see right here. And this is pretty standard in at least 3 of the rooms that I've stayed in now. And what's funny is they always put an action figure of a wrestler down below. Last time it was Chris Jericho for me. This time I think that's Road Dogg from D-Generation X. Before we head in here, I want to show you, this is a pocket door. So if you want extra privacy, you can close it. And if somebody's getting ready in there or taking a shower or using the facilities, you do not have to worry about being disturbed. They can have their light on, you can have your light off, and we're good to go. And like I said, have you noticed all of the hooks? There is a blow dryer, hangers, clothing steamer. And then here is your area to get ready with a makeup mirror, another mirror. By the way, there's your full-size mirror right there. And then we've got a sink. I do want to say those, the hardware on the sinks and everything is really cool. It's almost like a retro look in my opinion. And then we get cups. I love all these little sayings that they put on things. Coasters. Yes, I do. And makeup remover. And then as we head into this area, we can close the door for additional privacy if you are taking a shower or using the facilities. Frosted glass. Let's go ahead and open that back up. There's some more hooks right there. And you can see we've got some garbage cans in here. Everything that you're gonna need. And there is your product. I will tell you, I love the shower head in the Moxy Hotel. Plenty of water pressure, gets hot right away. It is adjustable. It's fantastic. A good shower after a long day in New York or to start your day, or both. Plenty large, no problems. It's amazing. And so there you have it. This is the 1-bedroom suite, king-size bed at the Moxy Hotel, Times Square. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like the content, don't forget to hit subscribe for even more. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.